There's a lake in Indonesia, and it is the most toxic and acidic lake in the entire world. If you go swimming in this lake, you'll probably die. The reason why this lake is so acidic is because it's located on a volcano that's constantly creating sulfuric acid. At nighttime, people notice that the sulfuric acid burns in a natural blue fire. Because there's so much sulfur around here, that means there's a lot of sulfur mining going on, and unfortunately these guys only make about $5 a day. This is called a razor clam, and this is how they dig in the sand.
You have to come back and get this guy. Pretty quick, pretty quick.
George, I am so telling Mom, stop that! Stop that right now! I am telling Mom, that is my fish tank, George! Get out! You're not a fish!
The Eagles are going to the Super Bowl, which means Philadelphia is going crazy. You know you've hit rock bottom when police officers need to kick you out of a high school basketball game. About 5% of people in the entire world have this skin condition where they can draw on themselves. This is what the wings of a hummingbird sounds like. And this is what happens when you get too close to the nest of a hummingbird. That's the end of this video. I really hope you guys learned something new today. I'm still super sick, and